Do you still struggle to make money online? Do you need more traffic, leads and sales? Well, listen up, because I have something important to share with you. The single most important thing that separates those who make it online and those who don't is a constant supply of qualified, fresh leads. Most people believe that in order to succeed online, they need to have massive traffic. Just send the traffic to a converting offer and collect the cash. Problem with traffic is that it can disappear as fast as it appears. Google can de-index you, YouTube can blacklist you, Instagram can shadow ban you. The single source of traffic which you can rely on forever is your own subscribers list. Build a targeted subscriber list within your niche and you're made. But having your own subscribers list is hard to get, right? Think again. Introducing OptinJoy. OptinJoy is a revolutionary software which utilizes cutting-edge technology to siphon leads on autopilot, bringing in a deluge of subscribers, traffic and sales. It uses something called interactive marketing. Interactive marketing is a one-to-one marketing tactic that adjusts and responds in real time to the customer's actions. This gives the online interaction a more personal touch for the customer. Examples of interactive marketing include quizzes and polls, a fun and engaging way to get customers to respond and opt in to find out how they scored. Calculators can entice users by comparing them to others or provide the correct answers to questions. Interactive forums use the power of trivia to entice visitors to engage with your brand. If you haven't used interactive marketing to grow your list, you've been missing out. OptinJoy also drives traffic to your interactive marketing lead magnets. More on this later. Interactive marketing is now all the rage. See what authority websites say about interactive marketing. Interactive content generates 2 times more conversions than passive content. 88% of marketers say interactive content differentiates them from their competitors. Interactive content generates 4 to 5 times more page views than static content. In just one interactive content campaign, Zenni Optical generated 29,410 conversions and over $1 million in revenue. Zenni Optical used a quiz, which was certainly beautiful and well produced but far from high tech. It was a simple campaign almost any business could launch in a day with the right tools. This effectiveness across all stages of the buyer journey, coupled with the relative ease of execution, has resulted in 53% of content marketers using interactive content to influence the buyer's journey. Now it's your turn to get a share of the action. There's no need to invest thousands of dollars on high-tech and expensive interactive forms. We'll do the hard work for you for a special launch price. OptinJoy is a never-seen-before suite of interactive opt-in tools, including calculators, quizzes, forms, polls, and call to actions. Not only will the system generate these interactive lead magnets, it will even distribute them across social media to make sure that you start generating massive traffic and leads today. It's a newbie-friendly leads capture machine and includes stunning high-converting templates. It works on any device, and it allows access to real-time stats about entrants. Having this information, this knowledge about your customers, for example how they scored compared to their peers, will give you the tools to make sure your list starts to buy your products today. If you've been struggling to make money online, look no further. Click the Buy Now button below and we will see you on the inside. Hello and welcome to OptinJoy. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to start getting leads with the OptinJoy software. There's 3 simple steps. Step 1 is simply to choose. Do you want to choose form, a poll, a quiz, a calculator, or a simple call to action? Let's today choose a quiz, and this leads us to step number 2. Create your quiz. You can create it from scratch and put in all the questions and answers yourself, or you can create from one of our templates. So let's choose here test quiz 4 that I created earlier today. Now I've personalized this one. I've changed the wording. I have changed the colors to make it stunning. You can put in different colors, different borders, different button sizes, different text size. And if you want to, you can also add a background image to your opt-in. These fields are important. This heading at the bottom here, this is what they see when they finish the quiz and you want them to sign up. It's quite important that you get that email address. They want to get the results of the quiz, so tell them that they'll get the results. Then we can change when the opt-in shows on page load, on exit. I've got this one shown on exit. And then step 3 is to publish our quiz, and you can either publish on social media. Let's go with Facebook. I will put this on one of our Facebook pages. Take our fun quiz to test your knowledge of world landmarks, and then we post. And if I go to my Facebook page, scroll down, and there it is. Take our fun quiz to test your knowledge of world landmarks. So it's as simple as that. The alternative is to copy the code and pop that into your website or blog. So we save and we visit the page. Now you'll remember I set this to load on exit, so let's pretend we're exiting the page, and there it is. So let's have a look. Click to continue. Taj Mahal, India. Stonehenge, UK. Statue of Liberty is New York. Leaning Tower of Pisa is Italy. Machu Picchu is Peru. Angkor Wat is Cambodia. Finish. And here we are. Enter your email address to get your results. So we have to have the results. So let's do that. You're a genius. Well, thank you very much. So you can see how easy it is to collect leads with OptinJoy. Let me quickly now show you a calculator, as we've had a few queries about this, and let's have a look at one. So this one is an auto loan calculator, and we've changed the appearance. So let's publish this and let's put it into our blog again. So let's change that script and save, and if you visit the page this time, this one was set to pop up on page load. So let's see how this works so that you'll understand the calculator. You want to borrow 10,000 over 24 months. Interest rate, let's say, is 5%. Finish. Enter your email address to see how much you would have to pay. So let's do that. You would pay $437.50 monthly, and now you have their email address. This would be perfect for CPA offers in the loan industry, where you get paid over $10 a lead. So now you've seen how easy it is to drive traffic and collect leads with OptinJoy.